PowerPoint for creating a custom theme. I've made a new PowerPoint presentation. I've named it My First Theme and saved it already. I have simply a blank template. There's nothing to it, no style at all. Instead of using the package themes, we're going to make our own. To do that, you start off in the view, and we're going to switch to the master, slide master. Now you'll see up here the office theme, the overall theme, and then here the slide layout. There's other themes we can play with, but for right now we'll work with just these two. I want to start with the text and some styles that are already packaged. If you come down to document themes, there's some things that already work together well. They're already in here for you. I'm going to choose the look I want on this, which would be the Callisto. I like the Callisto look. So I select that, it's changed it to Callisto, and in my fonts, the first two are the heading size and the body size. These already go together, that's fine. Let's use that. This is already changed to Callisto headings. So when I go to my title, it's also Callisto, and I've got the body down here. Now we can choose colors for our themes. I think I like the Codex color scheme. And I want to change the background. I want a custom background on this, not their package ones. So I'm going to Format Background and choose a color. I want a gradient. And let's make it from the title. Now that's too distracting. Just a linear gradient. And pick the color. From this end, the low color will be rich blue, and we'll make it mostly blue and change the angle so it's going up from the top, maybe a little more vertical, and we'll apply this. Excuse me, that should have been applied to all. Now it's applied to all slides in the template. The text, let's leave it black for now. As it gets into this blue area, you might have to change that. I want to change these fonts the way they're done here. I don't like that dash for the second level, so I'm going to go to bullets. Once again, I'm working in the theme template on the top here. And I want to change it to a circle bullet. And change fourth level to a circle bullet. And change the fifth level to no bullet at all. Then I also want to make sure that this always comes in. My default will be a special effect of fade in. Nice and simple. On click. And I want my animations to be one line at a time, so it'll go all the way down to the fifth level. Practice that. So typically, I want these coming in one at a time, already animated. Now I need a graphic in here. So I'm going to go to Insert Picture and find a graphic that's appropriate for what I'm trying to do. Here we go, Logos, Intermediate Art. These come in really small. You'll have to change them. Remember, hold down Shift key as you change the size. I want it up here in the corner. Now this is interfering, so I'm going to move this over and make sure that it is aligned left and that this will never overlap them. And then I'm also going to take the graphic and give it a little reflection. I'll make that mostly transparent, should be real subtle. And I also want to put the slide number on every slide in the top right corner. So this little box down here is the slide number. And I'll click right there. Now hold on. There I go. I want to see the word slide, a space, and then this bracket with the parentheses is the computer's way of saying show the current slide number. I'll select that and change the font color to something. No, that's probably a good color. So I want it right up here in the top right corner. Now that does disappear, doesn't it? So let's make it a dark color. Let's make it a really dark blue. You can work with the date and the footer down here, make those show up as you need. Now I have this template pretty well worked out. It's unique, it's my own. We can come back and change it, and these styles are applied to all the types of slides I could possibly make in here. Also under Format Background, no, I'm sorry. Oh, here we go. Save your theme. What we made was a PowerPoint. Now we need to turn it into a theme so it will show up in your gallery. Click on Save Theme. It should go to My Themes, which is under your library folder, under your name. It'll pick it up there, but it needs to be in the My Themes folder. The extension is now changed. It's a Theme X, not a PowerPoint. So say Save. Now how can we use this? I'll close it out, save my changes to that PowerPoint. Now I'm going to make a new presentation, and if I view my gallery, it should be there. I don't see it here. Oh, wait a minute. Custom themes. There it is. Already applied. When I make a new slide, the styles are already applied, the background's all there. You can do this to an existing presentation also. In fact, we're going to do that to a copy of your hobbies presentation. So after you make your custom theme, I want you to make a copy of hobbies, and then I want you to apply this theme to it and see how many of your slides will automatically change to this theme. You can change the theme, you can play with it. This is time to explore. I know this is new. It's a little complicated, but it's something you can do.